Welcome back to the Wildfire video tutorial series. In this segment, you will learn about how to create and edit a page on your website. Let's get started. The first page you will create is a standard page. A standard page is one that has simple text, very few images, or maybe some media or a playlist. Later, you will learn how to create special pages for displaying a gallery or slideshow, PDF files, scripture, a dictionary, or the Jesus film. To create a page, click on Work with Pages in the top row of the Wildfire menu, and then click on Add Standard Page from the submenu which appears below the top menu. If you have more than one navigation language, you will see two text editor boxes side by side. Use the text box on the left to add content in the default language. Use the text box on the right to add content in your other navigation language. If you have more than two navigation languages, you will see a drop-down language menu above the right-hand text box. Choose one language from the drop-down menu and add content in that language first. After you have saved your work, you can add content in another language. First, give the new page a title in each navigation language. Next, click inside the text editing box to move your mouse cursor there. Now, write the text for the page. Do this for each navigation language. We will discuss other elements of this screen in later videos. On each page, you have the option to include a feedback form at the bottom, which allows website visitors to contact you about the content on this specific page. If you want the feedback form to be shown on this page, check the box at the bottom of this screen. At the bottom left of the editing screen, you will find three options for exiting the screen. Click the button Save and Publish if you are satisfied that the page is complete and ready for publishing. If your website has already been launched, the page will immediately be visible to the public. Click the button Save as Draft if your page is still not ready to be published or viewed. The page will not be visible to the public, but you will still see it on the overview screen, and you can keep working on it until it is ready. If you have more than two languages, you will see a pop-up box that will ask you to confirm you have chosen the correct language in the right-hand text box. The third button at the bottom is the Cancel button. Click Cancel if you want to exit this screen without making any changes. A pop-up screen will ask you to confirm if you really want to leave the page without saving your work. When you save your work, you will exit the Add Standard Page editing screen and see a preview of the public version of the page. A green text box near the top of the screen will confirm that your new page has been created. On this preview page, you will see tabs at the top, which allow you to continue working on the same page. You can go back and edit the page some more. You can edit two languages side by side. You can add a translation of this page in an additional navigation language. Or you can delete the page completely. From time to time, it is helpful to look at all of the pages you have created. The Overview screen allows you to organize your pages or to easily choose one to edit. To get to the Overview screen, click on Work with Pages in the top row of the Wildfire menu, and then click on Overview from the submenu. The Overview screen will show the pages that you have created. Click on the page title in blue to see a preview of the page. If you want to edit the page, click on the small pencil icon beside the page title. If you have more than 2 navigation languages, you should go back and add page content in your other navigation languages. To do this, click on the plus sign in the empty cell to open the editing screen for the page in that language. This is the end of this segment of the Wildfire video tutorial series.